Hello, my name is Rebecca, and I'll be talking about Charles Darwin. He was born February 12th in 1809 in Shrewsbury, England, and he was the fourth child of Dr. Robert Waring Darwin. His father wanted him to be a doctor, so he sent him to medical school at the University of Edinburgh. And he didn't like blood, and he wasn't very good at it, so he dropped out, and he went to Cambridge University to study biology and to join the clergy. He obtained a BA degree in 1831, and in that same year he set sail on the HMS Beagle along the South American coastline to chart it. His job on the boat was to collect specimens, mostly on the Galapagos Islands. The trip lasted 5 years, and in that 5 years he came up with the idea of natural selection, which is two of the same species in different environments adapt to that specific environment, and over a long period of time they are two separate species. After the journey, he was afraid to tell people about his theory because back then everything revolved around God creating humans and animals. He waited 10 years actually to publish his theory, and the only reason he published it was because a guy named Alfred Wallace sent him his own idea to him. And then he decided that it's time for me to publish this into society. So they actually both published their two ideas into the Limb Society. He wrote a book, The Origin of Species, and it had two ideas, which was natural selection, which requires overproduction of individuals, genetic variation. The environment has to favor certain individuals over others. And the other idea was descent with modification, which everything comes from a common ancestor, and survival is not random. So that's kind of what Charles Darwin did for our society, and he came up with the theory of evolution. So everyone should thank him for that.